Using sample superstore subset and using the order sheet, find the product subcategory having the lowest sales across all years in the same product subcategory. Apparently this question looks very simple, but it has a little catch that they have asked to find the product subcategory which has the lowest sale across all the years. So this we need to identify how we can get the solution for this. Let's move to the solution. Excel file is already loaded here. So what we do, order date on the columns, product subcategory on the rows, and sales on the text. Now let's try to use the rank. By default, the rank has its properties, which we can see it is sorting the data in per the descending order, and it is using the computation 1 2 to 4. That now, for example, if I also put the sales here, so we can notice, first let me show you here, there is only one item which has 4 here. 4 means that it is having the lowest value of sales in this year, and even throughout the year this is the lowest value here. We can see by using the sales value here. If I put it here, you can see 91,237 is the value in 2013, which is the lowest across all years. But if we see the above records, the sales in 2013 is more than the previous year. So there is only one product subcategory which has a value of rank 4 in 2013. If I remove sales here, it's very much clear that only there is one product subcategory which has a value of rank 4 in this. So the rank is a very good option in such cases where you want to have the comparison across certain criteria. There are certain different options how we can use the rank, which will be explained in our knowledge base video tutorials. But to solve this question, the rank is the best option to get the solution. So the answer of this question is the bookcases. Thank you very much.